Nespresso Vertuo Coffee and Espresso Machine Bundle with Aeroccino Milk Frother by DeLonghi, Red. Versatile automatic coffee maker. Brew different single-serve coffee cup sizes at the touch of a button depending on your coffee needs. Espresso, 1. 35-ounce double espresso, 2. 7-ounce Gran Lungo, 5-ounce coffee, 7. 7-ounce and Alto, 14-ounce. Pour over ice to create your favorite iced coffee drinks. Designed for use with Nespresso Vertuo capsules. Smart coffee maker. Brew the perfect single-serve coffee or espresso drink time after time thanks to Nespresso's Centrifusion (TM) technology using barcodes to deliver the best in-cup results, including the perfect crema for large coffee cup sizes. Simply insert the capsule and enjoy freshly brewed coffee or authentic espresso. Single-serve coffee machine. Have the ability to create barista-grade brewed single-serve coffee or espresso cups at the touch of a single button. The one-touch button mechanism delivers the best in-cup result for whatever style coffee or espresso drink you choose. Designed for use with Nespresso Vertuo capsules only. Features: extra large 54-ounce water tank and a very large 17-count used capsule container. This machine also has a fast heat-up time of only 15 seconds, meaning you will never have to wait too long for your favorite coffee or espresso drink to be ready. There is an energy-saving automatic shut-off at 9 minutes of inactivity. Complimentary gift: each machine includes a welcome kit with a range of Vertuo capsules with unique aroma profiles. Bundle: the Aeroccino 3 milk frother is included to create the perfect finish to your single-serve coffee beverages such as cappuccino or latte. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.